What's up, everybody, and welcome back. If you think retirement is all about sleeping in and taking it easy, well, this week is going to prove otherwise. As usual, there was never a dull moment. So let's get started. First up this week, we're dealing with something every pool owner dreads: equipment problem. So before we could enjoy the pool, it was time to break out the tools and figure out what was going wrong, and hopefully get everything back up and running without breaking the bank.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. What was the gradual going on?
Not much. Oh. Whew. What's up, everybody? The week's still weeking. So I was telling you how the pool needed so many chemicals and everything. I couldn't figure out why I had to keep adding chlorine to the water and the pool getting out of whack. Well, let me show you. So this is a saltwater system. That's the heater, and this is called the salt cell. And the salt cell is designed that when the salt in the water that's in the pool gets introduced to the Intel chlorinator, the salt chemically reacts to the metal fins that's in there, and it turns it into free-flowing chlorine. So after taking this cap off, I realized that this is a thermometer and flow switch. The water pushes up against it, and it creates a magnetic induction on this piece, and then it sends a signal to the salt cell to start generating salt. Flow switch had that crack, so I got this one off of yours truly, Amazon. So I'm going to install this, hook up those wires, and we're going to see what we got. And the good thing about doing it myself is I save $1,500. Like that, she's back together. And now we're waiting for this to stabilize. It usually take a little bit. All right, less than 5 minutes. It saved over $1,500. Holla at your boy. Just let's move on to the next adventure for the week. I thought I had seen it all, but retirement life has a way of teaching you new skills. This time, I found myself helping my wife with her hair. Just when I thought I was done working for the day, yep, I got volunteered to help with her hair. One thing about this is never on the schedule, and it's never a warning. No appointment on the calendar for this one. And there I was, standing there holding combs, clips, and hair products, like I'm training for a beauty school or final exam. Nothing prepares you for the last minute hair duty. But after a few laughs and a little confusion and a lot of following instructions, we got the job done. That's retirement life. Always keeping you on your toes.
Shake that hair, girl. Shake it. Oh my gosh, shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. Give me the deuces.
After helping my wife with her hair, it was time to hit the road. A friend needed some help moving some equipment. And one thing I learned over the years is that when friends call, you show up if you can. Plus, retirement gives me the flexibility to lend a hand and spend time with good people along the way. The week is weekend. The week is weekend. I'm just sitting down, minding my business, get ready to go help unload some equipment off of the truck with a friend. What up, T? Not much, bro. After a week of repairs, projects, and helping others, it was finally time to slow things down and enjoy one of the best parts of retirement. To wrap up the week, we loaded up the boat and headed out on the river with friends. It's your boy Pierre, walking down here to the pit today, 92 plus. We getting on the water. What we getting on, Clay? The beautiful boats. Crew right here with us. It's a little light day on the water. Got a little breeze to it. Got about 12 mile per hour wind, but we'll be all right. Gonna get on that mammoth Tamarack girl. Today we have another crew on board. We're back again with Captain Selena, aka Captain Lena. We have Devin right there. We have Garrett and April. Hey. That wraps up another week of Retirement Life Adventures. This week was another reminder that retirement is never boring. Thank you for coming along with this week's journey. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. We appreciate each one of you.
So until next time, enjoy life and look forward to our next adventure. I'm Pierre from the Howard's Adventures. Deuces.